today we're going to be talking about a pool cleaner. So this is wireless. So straight out of the box, we go ahead and get our machine. We get the user's manual, warranty, stickers, and how to use it. Also, we get the charger, and we also get a cool hook. So once you want to get it out of the pool, you can hook it up. So the cool thing about it is super simple, super easy to use. So when you open this, if you want to go ahead and clean the filters, you can just open this just like this. Has a filter here. It's super easy to unattach, wipe it down, water it down with the water hose. Totally up to you. And then once you're ready to go, make sure you put this back in thing and it'll start to click. And then make sure before you use this, you have to always charge this first, and then you can go ahead and set it in the pool. All right, so let's go on ahead and try it out. All right, to turn this on, we are going to be pressing the bottom of this. That's on. And then we have a GoPro attached to this so you can see how it looks underwater. So let's go ahead and put it right in.
All right. Once the machine hit the water, it took about maybe 10 seconds before it started moving. Now, the issue I had with this machine that the pool was too steep to go to the actual shallow end. It would not go up the hill because either the motor is not very powerful to go up the steep hill, but it did a great job on the lower end of the actual pool. So my recommendation is if you have a steep water pool, then I would not get something like this. It's only made for flat surfaces or even surfaces. Alright, so how do you turn it on? That's it? How do you open it now? You take out all that garbage. Is there anything collected? It's pretty clean this way. Oh, look at all the dirt. Yeah, what the hell is that? Snail? Bee? Look at all that gravel. Alright. You need to wash that too. There's leaves in there.
Yeah, we just washed.
I'm charging.